Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Balisong flipping. So, as promised, here is a little flipping video for you. Me just in the backyard, just flapping around my Mako V1 from Squid Industries. Yeah, so I love flipping Balisongs, as you can tell. And also, as you can see, I just love rollovers and fans. That's pretty much all I'll ever do. I could do other tricks. I can do like some chaplains and maybe some tosses, but mainly you'll see me do fans and rollovers, because to me that is just like absolutely amazing to do and see, in my opinion. So yeah. So I don't really know much to talk about besides Balisongs and whatnot. I could start talking about topics and issues and stuff, but honestly, I don't want to make this channel, like, controversial and stuff. But I don't know, I'm just a simple guy. Like, most likely if I did cover topics and issues, I would most likely just be very, neutral on everything. Because I don't know. I just don't like problems, Almost seems like disagreeing would cause more problems than just being okay with the way things are and the way things are gonna be. But yeah, anyway, I just hope you guys are enjoying your day and life and stuff as I flip about in this backyard. A lot of more advanced flippers that come across this channel and see me flipping. For you guys, I just want to let you know that yes, I actually do know how to flip. A lot of people point out, oh, the blade handle or the blade is touching your hand, or it either ricochets or you put it in front of it, or say I do this on the bite handle, or I don't know. Either way, I know what I'm doing. I know how to flip a live blade. I choose not to because mistakes are always going to happen, and a trainer to me is just fun. It's durable, it's fun, it's cheap. Like, this is just awesome. I can be out here literally all day if I really wanted to, just flipping away at this thing. So, yeah. I don't know. For you guys, like, watching this video, tell me if you'd want to see like more of this, like more of me just rambling and flipping, because I mean I can do that for you, and I can do this all the time with some of my different trainers and whatnot. But yeah, just let me know if you like these kind of videos, or if you want to just see me strictly flipping, or maybe I'll go out somewhere to like some parks and whatnot. And yeah. Oh man, that sun came out. Wow, that got really bright. Let's go ahead and try to readjust that lighting. Wow. Oh. I mean, there you go. I mean, that's pretty much a video, Like, I don't know how to end these. I didn't really have like a topic or anything, but yeah, I'm pretty much going to go ahead and end this video here. So it's been great. Hopefully you guys were entertained from me flipping in the backyard, and until then, I'll see you next time.